Hello 18s, isang Indonesian host tinanong ang SB19 kung sino ang pinakamagaling at pinakagwapo at pinaka-cute sumayaw ng Gento Dance Challenge. Narito kung sino.
Adventurous, bold, and authentic. So that's what you do. Thank you so much. And the best part of Gento, I think, maybe the chorus, and maybe Ken can show the
Basikin ang gwapo at ang cute niya sumayaw, walang effort at marami ang nagagapuhan sa kanya, lalo na mga Chinese na sumayaw ng Gento dance.